Sherry, first of all, do you bear witness that there is no God except one God?
Yes.
And Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the last messenger of God.
Yes.
Will you say that in Arabic as well? You can repeat behind me. Ashhadu Allah
Ashhadu alla
ilaha
ilaha
illallahu
illallahu
wa ashhadu anna
wa ashhadu
Muhammadur Rasulullah
Muhammadan
abduhu wa rasuluh.
abdu sulu.
That basically means there is no God except one God.
Yes.
And Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the last prophet of God.
Yes.
And we also believe that God has sent lots of prophets. He has sent prophets to each and every village in the
Yes.
world,
Mhm.
and they brought the same message. And Jesus and Moses were also prophets of God. You believe that, right?
Yes.
And then on Muhammad, peace be upon him, that message was completed. Now we have to practice that message,
Yes.
and that message is obviously Quran. So can you please express how are you feeling coming to know about Islam?
Well, I was raised Catholic. As a teenager, I became a Christian. I got rebaptized a second time, but I didn't feel fulfilled. I was lost pretty much my whole adult life, wandering. I recently, in the last 6 months, started meditation, became aware of my own self. I've always believed in one higher power, one God, but I recently learned that my guardian angel, or my soul, was sent into this particular body in order to heal its splintered self, in order to go to a higher plane spiritually. Through meditation, I learned about the different levels of spiritualism. That we are all one. We all vibrate on different levels. But there is only one higher power, one God, and that Jesus wasn't the Son of God. He's just a messenger of God, and that we are all messengers. We help others, but just
knowing about Islam, as I have already discussed, that you already thought you believed in it. You did not just know. You just did not know it, but you already believed in whatever I told you Islam is. Right?
Yes, I didn't know it was Islam.